Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, DeLand, local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we render the best long-distance moving services. Moving your belongings over a 50-mile distance requires capable hands. You don't have to worry about your things being damaged or lost when we take care of your long-distance trip. Our movers handle your belongings with care. Our trucks are of high quality. They can all fit your belongings. Your electronics, furniture, clothes are safe in our trucks. We also have fantastic insurance coverage. Our drivers are professionals. They are careful when driving and obey every highway rule. They also arrive at your new place according to the plan. In DeLand, Florida, we are the most efficient local movers. Our services are reliable and timely. Locals recommend us because of our excellent customer services. Although we take charge of the move, we always keep you updated. Our hourly rates are the cheapest you can find. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour for moving labor. Our communication lines are always open. We also always attend to your needs promptly. Knowledge of the local and significant routes help us serve you promptly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our DeLand moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.